Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know about how to use the shaft feature in CATIA V5. For that, first of all, I select new window of CATIA V5. I select Start, Mechanical Design, and I select Part Design. From here, we can select any plane. I select this plane. Select Sketch. Now I draw a sketch here. I select Profile command and draw a closed profile. Now I select axis about which we rotate this shaft feature. This is axis and this is the profile which is closed. Now come back from the sketch. For that, exit workbench. Now select here shaft. See preview. This sketch is revolved along this axis at 360 degree. You can edit it first angle. All our requirement is half of this regulation. I select 180 degree. See preview. This is revolve about 180 degree. This is 180 degree. Second angle, you can also apply two different angles. For example, I type here 45 degree. See preview. This is 180 degree and this is 45 degree. If you want to edit the sketch, select edit. Now you can edit the sketch. Cancel it. Now you can again in shaft definition. Select thick profile. From here, enter thickness. Thickness 1 will be at thickness inside and thickness 2 and the thickness at outside. See preview. See here. This is thickness. You check it. You can also select reverse direction. See preview. Now it will be revolve on this direction. Again I select reverse direction. In more, you can this is the first angle, second angle, profile, axis selection. This is already select this axis. If your axis is not selected, you can select from here and then select axis. There's one thickness 2. These are all in more option. I selected 360 degree. Second limit, I select 0 degree. See preview, select OK. This is the shaft feature in which we revolve the sketch along the axis. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and Explain CAD.